Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to request and schedule Atomberg product installation using the Atomberg Home app. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you got a new Atomberg product like a fan or a water purifier, and if you want to proceed further with the installation, then we can do that using the Atomberg app itself. Also, you can check the links in the description for other useful Atomberg videos we published on our channel. To do this, we need to have the Atomberg Home app installed on our smartphone. This is available for both Android and iOS device like iPhone. After that, we can simply sign up using our Google account or with a new email and password. After completing the sign up and creating our account, we can go to this more icon at the bottom. We can select this. Then we can scroll down a bit and we will have this help option. Select that. And here we have installation request option. Select this. So it will do this fetching location. We can just enter our mobile number and address here. So after entering our phone number and our address, we can choose the next option here. And here we have to select the type of device we have from Atomberg. I'll choose water purifier. Select device. Okay, this one. And we can optionally enter the serial number, and we have to enter the purchase date, and also invoice image is also optional. So we can add all these details and choose the submit option. So I have entered the details here. We can skip the optional ones, but it is good to fill the recommended ones. So I'll just choose submit now. Please wait. Okay, installation request registered successfully. So yeah, that's all we have to do. So I just got an SMS from Atomberg saying a service case is registered successfully. We can also go to this track complaints request option to see our installation status. We can see that here. So on the scheduled date, the technician called and visited us and completed the installation properly. He explained all the features on the device and also on the Atomberg app. Everything was smooth. These are the steps to request and schedule Atomberg product installation using the Atomberg Home app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.